In this video, you shall understand the nomenclature of Bicyclo and Spiro compounds. You know that this type of molecules are called as cyclic molecules. Means these are cyclohexane, hence the cyclic compounds. Cyclo, it is called as cyclo. When this is attached to another cyclo group, and this type of compounds are called as bicyclo compounds. There are two cyclo groups, ಎರಡು cyclo group ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ these are called as bicyclo compounds, and these are bridged carbon atoms. The two cyclic compounds attached through this two bridged carbons, these are called as bicyclo compounds. If ಒಂದೇ ಐತಂದ್ರೆ two cyclo groups this is one cyclo, this is another cyclo, two cyclo groups attached through single carbon atoms, these are called as Spiro compound, and this is called as bicyclo compound. Okay, how to name this bicyclo and Spiro compounds? Bicyclo nomenclature ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ these two are bridged carbon atoms. First we have to give the numbering. Bicyclo ಒಳಗಡೆ the trend is decreasing order, from increase to decrease, means it is a decreasing order. So first you have to give the number either to this or to this one. Increase andre this is the biggest cycle, andre ದೊಡ್ಡದು ಯಾವುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ this one, this is having 1 2 3, this is pen andre 4 ring 5 carbon atoms, here we have 6 carbon atoms, so this is the largest cyclic compound, hence you have to give the number first. You have, this is the prepared, so you have to give the number to this cycle, then this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, so that like this you have to give the number to this bicyclo compound. ಒಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೇನದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದೆ? ಬೈಸೈಕ್ಲೋ. ಬೈಸೈಕ್ಲೋ ಇದು ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಬೈಸೈಕ್ಲೋ ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಅಗೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡಿಕ್ರೀಸಿಂಗ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ ಈ ಸೈಕಲ್ಗೆ? 1 2 3 4. ಈ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗೋದು 1 2 3 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ 4, 3, and count the number of carbons in between these bridged carbon atoms. ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ನಡುವೆ there is no any carbon atoms, hence it is 0. ಹೌದಾ? ಟೋಟಲ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾವ 9, it is non-N. Okay, this is the name for this bicyclo 404,3,0 non-N. Like this you have to give the number to this bicyclo compound. In Spiro compound ಬಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲದೆ this trend is here it is the increasing order. increasing order ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, means small to big or larger. ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮದು ಲಾರ್ಜರ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಇತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಬಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್. ನಂಬರಿಂಗ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಗಿವ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ನಾವು? ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ, ದ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಪೈರೋ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐದರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಆರ್ ಟು ದಿಸ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 2. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 4, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 5, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ 6. ಓಕೆ, ಅಗೇನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೈಸೈಕ್ಲೋ ಹೆಂಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ? ಸ್ಪೈರೋ. ಸ್ಪೈರೋ ಇದೆ ಪ್ರಿಫಿಕ್ಸ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲರ್ ಟು ಲಾರ್ಜರ್. ಸ್ಮಾಲೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್, ದರ್ ಆರ್ 2 ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್. ಲಾರ್ಜಿಗೆ ಹೆಂಗದ? 1 2 3 ಅದ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ? ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ 0 ಬರ್ತಿದ್ವಿ. ಹೌದು, ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಬ್ರಿಡ್ಜ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ನೋ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅಟಮ್ ಒಂದೇ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಓನ್ಲಿ 2xy ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ XY Z ಬರ್ತದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ XY ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಅದಾವ? ಟೋಟಲ್ 6 ಅದ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ hexane. Like this, you have to give the name to the Bicyclo and Spiro compound. Let's discuss one more example in the Bicyclo. See here, again larger to smaller, you have to give the number to the bridged carbon atoms. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and this is 5. Bicyclo is the prefix. Larger ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ 1 2 ಎರಡು ಅದಾವ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ 1 ಅದ. There is no carbon atom in between 1 and this 4, hence it is 0. Total carbon atoms is 5, hence it is pentane. Okay, like this you have to give the name. And more example. Okay, these are the bridged carbon atoms, hence you have to start the numbering from this carbon atom. First larger ತಗೋಬೇಕು, so that this is the larger than this. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here also you have, this is also ring, so that this carbon should get the number 7 ಆದಮೇಲೆ it will be 8. ನೋಡಿ, Bicyclo ಬರೀತೀರಿ. This is prefix, that is secondary prefix. Primary prefix ಏನದ, one methyl group is attached at carbon number 8, hence it is 8 methyl Bicyclo. ಹೆಂಗದ, larger to smaller, larger group ಇದದ, larger group containing 3 carbon atoms, 1 2 3 carbon atoms, smaller group containing 2 carbon atoms, and this bridged head carbon atoms having 1 carbon in between this bridged carbon. 1 ಮತ್ತು 5 ನಡುವೆ 1 carbon ಅದ, so that it is 1. Total number of carbons 8 ಅದ, so that it is octane. So this is the 8 methyl bicyclo 3,2,1 octane is the name for this bicyclic compound. One more example for Spiro compound. ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು, ಯಾವ್ದು ಸ್ಮಾಲ್, ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದಾವ, ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್ 2 3 4 5 6 7. Spiro is the prefix 1 2 3 1 2 3. Total number of carbons 7, hence it is heptane. Like this you have to give the name for Spiro compounds. Let's discuss the examples from KSET question paper. Identify the correct structure of Bicyclo 2,2,2 octane. 2,2,2 octane andre will give the name for all the compounds. You know, these are two bridge head carbon atoms, idu ಮತ್ತು ಇದು. So it is Bicyclo 1 2 3 4 5 6, it is 7, it is 8, it is also octane. Bicyclo 1 2 1 2 ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಅದ, 2 2, here also it is 2. Total number of carbon atoms 8, hence it is octane. Then this one, these are the bridged carbon atoms. This is 1, ಯಾವ್ದು ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, this is 8 and this is 9, hence it is Bicyclo. Larger ring ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ, 1 2 3, hence it is 3, there are 2 in the smaller ring, 2, again 2 between this bridged carbon, and again 2, and this total number of carbon ಎಷ್ಟು ಅದಾವ, 9 ಅದಾವ, hence it is non-N. Okay, then here this is the bridged carbon atom, this is bridged carbon, this is also bridged carbon atom. 1 ಇದು 2 ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ this is larger, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Bicyclo larger ring containing 1 2 3 4 carbon atoms, smaller ring containing 2 carbon atoms. there is no carbon in between this bridged carbon, hence it is 0. Total number of carbons 8, hence it is octane. These are the bridge carbon atoms. ಎರಡು ಸೇಮ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ you can take 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 bicyclo 1 2 3 3 3. There is no carbon atoms between this, hence it is 0. Total number of carbons 8, hence it is octane. This is the name. The answer is A because it is bicyclo 222 octane. Next example is the IUPAC name for the name of the following molecule is bridged carbon. These are the bridged carbon atoms. One larger group larger ring yavudu idu 2 3 4 5 6 7 this is 8 and 9 carbon atoms. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 bicyclo comma larger ring containing 1 2 3 comma smaller containing 2 comma again it is 2 between this bridged, hence total number of carbon n non-n bicyclo 3 to 2. This is the correct answer. Again this the IUPAC name of the following compound is this is bicyclo compound 1 2 3 4 5 bicyclo. This larger ring, smaller rings, larger ring containing 2 carbon atoms, smaller ring containing 1 carbon atom. There is no carbon atom in between bridged carbon atoms, hence it is 5 means it is pentane. Bicyclo 210 pentane, bicyclo 210. This is the answer. Next example is the IUPAC name of the camphor is. You should know the structure of camphor. This is the structure of camphor. This is bicyclo compound. You have to give the number. These are the 2 bridged carbon atoms. Okay, number should be lowest number should be given to this carbon. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ substitution ಅದ 1 to this carbon atom, 2 to this carbonyl group, carbonyl carbon 3 4 5 6 7 to this bridged carbon atom. Okay, then it is bicyclo is common. Okay, prefix ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ, that is primary prefix. There is one methyl group is attached at carbon number 1 and 2 methyl groups attached at carbon number 7, hence it is 177 1,7,7 trimethyl bicyclo 1 2 carbon atoms, 1 2 carbon atoms, hence it is 2, 2. 1 carbon is in between this bridged carbon, hence it is 1. Total number of carbon atoms are 7. hept alkane da ಏನು ಬರ್ತದ heptane ketone group ಎಲ್ಲದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಗದ, so that heptane 2-one. This is the correct answer. Hence the answer is 177 trimethyl bicyclo 221 heptane 2-one is the correct answer for correct IUPAC name for camphor. Thank you.